Hello everyone. In this video we're going to work with the rating system for our users in the website, right? Yeah, so we're basically going to work with this button and like these reviews. And the first thing that we need like a model basically to store all the reviews from the users and with the movies and everything. So let's just go to our movie like app here, and let's create a new model, right? Let's go to the bottom. So here let's create a new model, right? So class, let me just go to the bottom here, class review, just name it whatever you want, models.model, and my first field will be user, right? Foreign key of user, of course, on delete models that cascade, right? And the second field, of course, the movies, foreign key movie on delete model cascade. And we want a date, of course, models date time field, and then auto now add true, basically to add the like that date time field. What else? Oh, we want the opinion of the user. If the person wants to put tests and stuff, you just name this one test. You can name body. I may put this one test field, the master length of 2000 3000, I guess. Then blank true, just in case the person doesn't want to put the yeah, whatever. And the rate. So for the rate, we're having like choices and rate. Let's create a constant here. Rate choices. This will be so the first field will be, this is the value, it will be like an integer, right, from 1 to 10. So that's what will give me like 1, and will be represented by, it will be represented by 1 will be trash, right? That's for the number 1 value. The second horrible, and we can just copy this. 3 terrible. 4 bad, right? 5 okay, okay, in the middle. 6 watchable, I guess. 7 good. 8 very good. Very good. 9 will be perfect, and 10 will be masterpiece. Haha. So rate will be models positive, positive and small integer field, just like that, because it's just, this is a small integer field, right? And it's positive. Okay, so it will be choices, and then here we pass the rate, the choices, and then blank, this one's just true. Actually no, because if you're rating, you know, yeah, let's just put on. So remember that we have like these thumbs up and like thumbs down with like likes and unlikes for the reviews, just in case a person don't agree with the person, with the other person review. So let's just put likes will be models that positive integer field, and default will be 0, right? I just copy this one, paste it over here, and this one will be on likes. Yeah. Here let's create a new str string self. Let's return the user.username. And yeah, and that's it. So let's save that. Now that we have the models, we need to create the forms. The forms will handle the basically like the rate. Let's create a new file here. Let's name it forms.py in movie. And then here let's import from Django import forms. And then let's import our view from movie.models import review and the rate choices, and you will see why. So let's create a new class form, rate form, we forms model form, and then we're just getting the text and then basically like the text, right? So forms dot char field, and then just copy. Just now the rate will be forms dot choice field, just like that, and then for choices like that, we just pass the rate choices. So now we here we got a widget, and then we put forms that select, and then require true. So here you just add a widget called forms that text area. And this one's like this area, and then here we pass the, because I want to add the materialize, maybe. So if you go to the forms here, yeah, like the test area here. Yeah, let's just pass this the class materialize test area, right? So here for the class we pass materialize test area, and here require false. Okay, so now let's just go down here, class meta model will be review, and then the fields, of course, test and rate. Good. We just save that. We have the model, the forms. Now let's just jump to the views, because now we're creating our rate view. Okay, let's go here to the bottom. Then let's just put rate or movie rate, whatever. Just name that. It will take a request, and we'll take the IMDB ID because we want to identify the movie that we're rating. That's why we're getting the IMDB ID. So the movie will be movie.objects.get, and then we search. Well, we just basically copy this one, right? Paste it here. And the user, let's get the user from the request. And now let's work with the form here. Oh, we need to import the form. Let's go to the top here. From movie.forms import rate form. Let's go to the bottom. So if request that method equals post form, rate form request post if form is valid, right? So if the form is valid, rate will be, let's put this one, form that save commit false, because we're signing these ones now here. So rate that user will be user, and then rate that movie will be movie. That's it. And then rate that save, we save. Let's copy this one, because we're redirecting the user to the movie details, because that's where we're like hitting the rate button. Just put it here, and then else form will be rate form. That's it. So template will be, let me just loader that get template, and let me see the name of rate. So rate.html, that's the name of our template. So here context will be the form, and also the movie, because yep. Let me just copy this one here, copy this one, and yeah, save that. Let's see, user is notifying. Let me see, check here. Oh, because we haven't imported the users here. Let's just go here, copy that, paste it here. Models, of course, typos everywhere. Mass length. Oof. Oh, let me check the forms. Oops, is the movie forms test area. Let's check now. Oops. Here we go. Okay, yeah, be careful with the typos. Don't be like me. That's why my videos are long, because I'm trash and I have typos everywhere. Okay, let me check. We have the models. We have the view here, and we have the form. Let's just, yeah, we just need to work with the templates, the rate templates. But oh, and also we need to work with the, let's go here to the URLs, because we need to add the URL here. But we need to run the migrations, right? Because we created a new model. So every time you mess with the models, you run the migrations. Python managed make migrations, and now migrate. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Now we can just run the server. Okay, let's go to our movie URLs here, and then let's create a new one. Basically, let's just copy this one. I don't recommend doing what I do. Let's just change the URL here. The name is just rate movie. Let me check the name of the view. I think it's rate. Yeah, rate. Let's just import rate here. Oops, rate. This one's rate, and then here rate. Very much. Save. Let me check. Yeah. Okay, we have our URL. So when we click rate, it will display this template here. Let's just let's go to the template. And yeah, let's just copy this one. Just copy this one, just to get rid of all of this. From here, goodbye. Now we put block content here, and the footer, and these two, we get rid of these two and the footer. Goodbye. And then here, and block. Okay. But yeah, this is the rate, and we have here, we load the movie title. So movie that title. Let's copy this one, and here is the type. Oops, type. Yeah, and here we have like a little test. This is the plot. Paste it here. You can just put plot, and yeah, our form starts here. Let me check. Divider, this is the here let's put let's create a form. This one's in here. Let me check. Yeah, here. I think will be good here. Okay. Form. Actually, this button. Let's rename this one to button. Button rate class and type submit, and then name action, and this is the test area. We can get rid of this one, and here I'm gonna put form.test. That's the name of our form. And yeah, and this is the select. And basically here we just copy this one. Let me check. Let me see. Yep. Yep. Here. Okay. It looks weird. Yeah. Okay. The form here. The method, post, action, empty. I don't know. The role is a form, right? And then let's put these ones on the, I don't know, like call is 12, right? Save that. Yeah, we just need to test now. Oh, yeah, this is the poster. So if we have the, if we can review movie, that means it's in our database, so we don't need to check anything. We just go here and then movie that poster.url, and that's it. Okay, let's save all of that. Let's check the moment of truth. Let's go. Oh, haha, I forgot something. Let's go to movie details here, and let me check this is the movie details. I forgot we need in this button here the rate. Of course we need to take the user to the, let me copy this one, paste it here just like that, because we're passing the IMDB ID, and it's rate here. Let me check, let me double check the name of the URL. Yeah, rate movie. Let's save that, and okay, we're now good to go. Let's refresh. Okay, we are rating this movie. Yeah, and now we just click rate, and yeah, this is the rating, but the input is not working properly for some reason. Let's check the template for the rate. Oh yeah, that's why. Haha, I forgot to put rate here. Okay, let's go back, let's refresh, let's click rate, and yeah, our rate is loading. This movie, let me choose masterpiece. Opinion, I love this movie. That's why I'm giving it a 10. Okay, if you don't agree with me, I don't care. Okay, let's click rate. Oof. Oh, yeah. So we forgot here our cross forgery token, of course. C6RF token, and here we go. Okay, save that. Let's go back. Let's refresh. Okay, let's try. Oh, we have like, this is extra. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Masterpiece, opinion. I love this movie. Okay. This is my review with opinion. Great. And here we go. So now let's go here to the movie, the admin, and let's add review just to see if it's working. Let's copy this one. Review. Let's save. Let's go to the admin. Reviews. And here we go. The user. And that's the review. And yeah, it's working. So Lord of the Rings. Okay, here. So in the next video we're going to basically show the reviews here and basically work with the rated, basically just to show the amount of people and like, yeah, all of that. And I will stop here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.